Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, November the 18th. This is your weekly weather briefing. Hopefully it'll be a nice, short, quick one for you so you can get on about your day. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Quick overview here for what we can expect for the coming week as far as weather goes. We do have some rain moving into the area today. It should progress northeastward through central North Carolina through the rest of the day and overnight, moving out sometime early tomorrow. We may see a few very light spotty showers sometime possibly tomorrow night, but otherwise we are expecting the weather to be dry from tomorrow through Friday morning, maybe Friday afternoon. There's some question there as to when the next system will move in. So we have another cold front approaching from the west, and that will move through, depending on what model you want to look at, sometime between Friday and Sunday. So it should be wet with that front. It's just a matter of the timing that is a bit uncertain at this point. So even though it's going to be rainy and cloudy today and tomorrow, it should be at least close to normal for temperature. So somewhat seasonable, albeit a little bit on the dreary looking side. With the rain, however, there is no increased threat for any kind of severe weather or anything, so that's a good news there, and that goes all the way through Wednesday, so it should be relatively quiet in that regard. As we look at the expected precipitation with these systems, the precipitation today and tonight should be relatively light, generally half an inch at most places. Not a whole lot as far as anything goes. Tuesday and Wednesday, and even into Thursday. Thursday should be dry. With the next system coming in right now, expecting anywhere from possibly half an inch to maybe upwards as much as 2 inches if you get lucky. Particularly higher amounts will be out in the western portions of the area, so the Piedmont, the western Piedmont, and the foothills. So that is one of those, the models give it, the models take it the way. So right now we are expecting those amounts, but as we generally see, as time gets closer, sometimes those dwindle a little bit. So stay tuned for the Thursday briefing for the rainfall totals coming up later in the week. It is still hurricane season, so a tropical outlook. We do have an area of interest out in the Atlantic. It does show a 50% chance of developing. However, it's not expected to pose any threat to the continental United States or North Carolina. And so it will be something necessarily that they're going to monitor, but not that we need to be overly concerned about. And then just a quick look at what we can expect temperature-wise for the rest of the week. Normals for this time of year in Raleigh are upper 50s to low 60s for highs and around 40 degrees or so for lows. So we will be near normal, pretty seasonable. Rain today and maybe lingering into the morning tomorrow, and then dry, partly cloudy to maybe mostly cloudy depending on the time of day, middle of the week, and then again showers moving in for the end of the week. So that's all I have, and I will open it up to questions if anybody has any.